Good morning students. Today in English we are going to learn and write dictation words. Dictation words of vowel sound U. Let's start. Write here today's date. Write here D I C T A T I O N. Dictation. WORDS words. Dictation words. Write 1 to 9 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's start writing. Number 1 is rub. Rub. R U B. Rub. Repeat. R U B. Rub. In dictation we will write first alphabet capital. Number 2 mug. Mug. M U G. Mug. Repeat. M U G. Mug. Number 3 sum. Sum. S U M. Sum. S U M. Sum. Number 4 gun. Gun. G U N. Gun. Repeat. G U N. Gun. Number 5 mud. Mud. M U D. Mud. M U D. Mud. Number 6 is nut. Nut. N U T. Nut. N U T. Nut. Number 7 cut. Cut. C U T. Cut. Repeat. C U T. Cut. Number 8 bud. Bud. B U D. Bud. B U D. Bud. Number 9 is jug. Jug. J U G. Jug. Repeat. J U G. Jug. Students, we will read it once again. Let's start. Number 1 is rub. R-U-B. Rub. Number 2 is mug. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Students, repeat after me. Number 3 is sum. S-U-M. Sum. Number 4 is gun. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. Number 5 is mud. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. Number 6 is nut. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Number 7 is cut. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Number 8 is bud. Bud. B-U-D. Bud. Number 9 is jug. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Students, you will write it in your English notebook. Thank you.